Hello everyone, I'm Esther. Today we will make a crown of golden paper. Are you ready? Okay, let's go! First, fold the paper by half. And again fold the paper by half. Second, open the paper and then fold the paper both sides by the center. And then put your fingers in here and fold like this. And fold the opposite side. Fold this part to the top side. And fold the opposite side. Next, turn over the paper. Fold this part by the center on both sides. And then fold this part to the top side. Fold the opposite side. And please fold like this. Then turn over the paper and repeat it. Last, put your fingers in here and then please make a shape like this. Finished! everyone, did you make a crown? If you have this crown, you can become a king. Next time, I will come with other folding papers. Okay, bye! See you next time!